The chessboard that we are familiar with and use today has not always been in its current form. Over time, it evolved from a basic simple grid into a much clearer and more organized design, incorporating alternating colored squares that significantly aid in visualizing the piece's movements. Although its basic form has always consisted of 64 squares, it was gradually refined, becoming the modern board designed so that anyone can place the pieces correctly and begin playing without any difficulty. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Before placing any pieces, ensure the board is properly oriented. Each player must have a white square in their bottom right corner. The simplest method for placing the pieces is to start with the pawns. Position them on the second rank for each side. That horizontal line of squares we refer to as a rank. The white pawns will be positioned together along one edge of the chessboard, and the black pawns will occupy the opposite edge. Next, you'll place the rooks in the four corners of the board. Adjacent to them, you'll place the knights. These pieces always begin on columns B and G, with columns referring to the vertical lines of the chessboard. Immediately after, we carefully place the bishops, each one positioned right next to a knight. Now we finally come to the most significant pieces of all, the king and the queen. Here, it really matters where they are placed. The queen always goes on a square of her own color, the white queen on a white square, and the black queen on a black square, which in this particular case is green. You'll notice that both end up aligned, directly facing each other. The king is positioned on the square that is left open, right next to the queen. In the game of chess, each player moves just one piece during their turn, and by long-standing tradition, the white pieces always make the very first move of the game. Now that everything has been set up, it's your turn to learn and put it into practice. And the most effective way to do that is by joining BlackChess Academy. The link is in the description below.